guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine. I love to share spoilers, but it's usually from boxycharm or trend mode box, which that's what I've been doing lately. But on this video, I want to focus all on Ipsy because we already have that information for April 2020. So on this video, I'm going to go over Ipsy Glam bag and what the bag looks like, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. So we're going to be seeing all the spoilers and how the bag is coming together for April, and I think it's perfect for the springtime. So let's get started. So the first one I want to get started with is the April 2020 Glam Bag Spoiler. This is a bag that costs $12, and as you know, this is a sample bag. If you are new to Ipsy, like I just joined again, I used to get this bag years ago, but I'm gonna get my bag for the month of March, so you could go ahead and use that link, and sometimes they're giving different incentives depending the date that you do subscribe. So one of the first spoilers that they're revealing is the Ahaba 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. This is a mask that is it's going to help hydrate, brighten, and smooth your skin for a soft, radiant complexion. The next product is from Glossier. This is Priming Moisturizer Rich, and this has ceramides that reinforce skin's moisture barrier. This is a luxurious face cream. It's perfect for day or night. The next product is a makeup item. It's from Bare Minerals, and this is the Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in Courage. Such a pretty shade, such a bright shade too. Then we have the fourth one, Bosom's Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. So this is a mascara, and it looks like it's a sample size. Then another product that they're showing us, this is a full size, and I love when we get brush in the bag. So this is from Shayna B Miami. This is a blush brush, and as you know, that's going to be a full size. And the last problem is from Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner, and it's an eyeliner to give you that smudge proof smoky eye. So remember, based on your quiz, this is just all those items that are expected in the bag, but based on the quiz, you know there's going to be variation. And I also love about, even though it's a sample bag, if you're already subscribed, you're able to make your choice for the Glam bag. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bag. The next subscription we have is the Glam Bag Plus. This one, the cost of the subscription is $25 a month, but it does come with 5 full-size items in the bag. And this is also one that you can make a choice, so you have the opportunity if you sign up or if your account is active. And in addition, the value of this bag is $120. So now you're able to see that the bag that was selected for April is very different. It has a different color, and I love that every single one of them is a little bit different, but yet they look kind of like the same. So let's go ahead and look inside. What are the spoilers for the Glam Bag Plus bag? And the first one is, I hope I'm saying it right, Shayna B Miami. This is going to be a mini Miami eyeshadow palette, and this is to help you have that natural makeup look, because you can see the shades are all natural tones and perfect for everyday wear. The next product is from Ciate London, and this is a triple shot mascara, and this one is going to be in the shade black. I'm not sure, yeah, and remember, they're all going to be full-size items. The next one I'm excited about because I did get this product previously in a boxycharm box, and I love this lipstick. This lipstick is from Dose of Colors. This is going to be a liquid matte lipstick, and the shade that they're showing is Brick. The fourth product that you see is from Bloom Effects, and this is a Dutch Dirt mask. So they're including a mask on this bag. And the fifth product they're showing, which I'm also excited for, this is from Sunday Riley, and the product is called Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. And this is a toner that is for all skin type, but it's especially great for acne prone and oily skin, which is perfect because that's me on that. So you can see what we can expect for the bag, that the price is $25 a month, and this is the Glam the Glam Bag Plus. So now let's go ahead and move on to the third bag, the third spoiler. I love a bag that you're gonna see how this bag looks like, and I'm excited for this bag. So now we're moving on to the different subscription. This one is a little bit more expensive, and this is the Glam Bag Ultimate. So it's an ultimate bag. So what is the cost? The cost is $50 a month, and it does bring 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe size sample products. And you also have the ability to choose one item from this subscription as well. The cost, like I mentioned, is $50, but the value could go from $250 plus. So I like that it does have 8 full size and 4 deluxe size samples. So let's go ahead inside and see what is expected for the April Glam Bag Ultimate Bag. Like I was mentioning, I love this type of bag because this is a bag that you can use for travel, but lately I've been using this type of bag to put my makeup when I'm on the go, and I take it on the car and it fits perfectly there. So I love the way this bag is designed. The first product that we know that is coming in the bag is from IB Beauty. I love this brand, and this one's called Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette, and this one comes in 20 shades and is infused with rosehip seed oil to condition and nourish your skin. How perfect is that? I love that. And even the shades, they have some cool tones, they have some fun colors, but very neutral colors as well. So such a pretty palette. The next product they have is a set, and this is from Trestique, which I have also used this type of crayon. It feels like a crayon, but it's such a pretty lipstick. This is called the Mini Lip Glaze Set. So this is going to be a set, and this set has coconut oil, which is going to help hydrate your lips and gives them a glossy finish. The third product we have is from Jewel Smith Beauty. This is Power 5 Shadow Palette. This is another palette, very pretty palette. And use these gemstone and crystal inspired shades to create a soft everyday look or a killer smoky eye. The fourth product as a spoiler is from Il Makiage Long Wear Eye Pencil in Batman, Sylvester, Metallica, Cosmo, Oreo, or Hero. These are versatile shades and are waterproof, crease-proof, and smudge-proof, so you can wear them from day to night without worry. The fifth one is in such a pretty packaging. It's from Gensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil, and that's perfect. I do like cleansing oils too, just like cleansing balm. And this is a luxurious face oil that melts away makeup and impurities with ease. And the sixth product we have is from Cottage Greenhouse. It's orange and honey face mask. That sounds so good already. And this is honey, a natural humectant that keeps your skin dewy and fresh. So remember, that's a face mask. The seventh product and the last spoiler we have is from Verso Skincare Dark Spot Fix. This is a corrector that banishes dark spot from age, sun, and acne. I like that product too, based on what it promises. So this is everything that we have that I just shown you. This spoiler that I just mentioned. Remember, this is from the Glam Bag Ultimate. So I'm excited that we're able to see from Ipsy all 3 bags. Also, we got to see how the bags are going to look like for the month of April. And I like that there's different options. You could choose one from $12, $25, or $50. So far, I'm liking how those bags are coming together. If you're new and you're interested, I'm going to provide the link below. So guys, let me know what you guys think of Ipsy. Are you like me that you have held on to that, but now you're starting to go back to Ipsy, or you just been with Ipsy for so long, or you just kind of like interested to see what's out there? So I hope this video was helpful. That way you could get to decide if you want to get this bag for the month of April, since you have a chance to pick your choices, which that should be available soon. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend if you're watching this video in the weekend, and until the next video, bye.